Imagine this: outside there is a brutal snowstorm, freezing winds crashing against the mountains, temperatures dropping far below zero, visibility almost gone, and nature showing its most dangerous side. Standing alone in the middle of this frozen wilderness is a futuristic luxury camper van, a vehicle designed not just to travel, but to survive. And while the world outside is cold, harsh, and unforgiving, inside this van exists warmth, comfort, technology, and complete peace. Today on Apex Motors, we are stepping inside one of the most incredible snowstorm camper vans ever created, a moving luxury home built for extreme adventure. Welcome back to Apex Motors, the place where luxury meets innovation and where we explore the most futuristic vehicles on the planet. If you love luxury cars, camper vans, advanced technology, and cinematic vehicle experiences, make sure you subscribe because today's vehicle completely changes what van life really means. At first glance, the exterior design instantly feels different from a normal camper van. This machine looks more like a mobile fortress than a traditional vehicle. The bold body structure, aggressive stance, and expedition-ready proportions immediately signal that this van was built for extreme environments. The matte finish exterior reduces glare from snow reflections while giving the vehicle a modern futuristic presence. Large all-terrain tires sit perfectly under widened wheel arches, ready to conquer snow, ice, mountains, and remote landscapes without hesitation. The front of the van is dominated by powerful LED headlights cutting through heavy snowfall like beams of light in a winter storm. These lights are not just stylish, they are essential for survival driving where visibility becomes almost impossible. The raised suspension increases ground clearance, allowing the van to move confidently across deep snow and uneven terrain. Every design element serves a purpose: strength, stability, and endurance. But the real magic begins the moment the side door slowly opens. Warm golden light spills into the cold blue snowstorm outside, creating a cinematic contrast that instantly changes the mood. You step inside expecting a basic camper setup, but instead you enter what feels like a luxury studio apartment on wheels. The interior atmosphere is calm, warm, and incredibly inviting. Advanced insulation technology protects the cabin from freezing temperatures, maintaining a comfortable living environment even when the storm outside becomes extreme. The driver cockpit looks straight out of the future. Digital displays replace traditional gauges, providing navigation, energy monitoring, and climate control information in a clean modern interface. The steering position offers excellent visibility while heated seating ensures comfort during long winter drives. Everything feels thoughtfully designed, combining practicality with premium luxury. Moving into the living space, the van transforms into a true home environment. Soft ambient lighting creates a relaxing mood while smart storage solutions keep the space clean and organized. A fully functional kitchen setup includes a compact cooking area, integrated sink, and hidden storage compartments designed for long off-grid journeys. Every inch of space has been engineered for efficiency without sacrificing comfort. One of the most impressive features is the sleeping area. Positioned near large insulated windows, the bed allows travelers to watch snowfall while remaining completely warm inside. Imagine lying under a blanket, holding a hot cup of coffee, watching snowflakes fall silently outside while the storm rages beyond the glass. This is the emotional appeal of van life, freedom combined with safety and luxury. Energy independence is another key highlight. Equipped with solar charging systems, advanced batteries, and intelligent power management, this camper van operates completely off-grid for extended periods. Travelers can explore remote locations without worrying about electricity or external connections. Smart climate control automatically adjusts heating and ventilation, ensuring optimal comfort at all times. As night falls, the van becomes even more cinematic. Exterior lights softly illuminate the snow around the vehicle, creating a peaceful winter atmosphere. Inside, warm lighting reflects off modern materials, turning the cabin into a cozy retreat far removed from the harsh environment outside. This contrast between extreme weather and interior comfort is exactly why snowstorm van life videos capture millions of viewers online. What makes this vehicle truly special is not just its luxury features or advanced engineering, it is the feeling of freedom it represents. This camper van allows you to travel anywhere, park anywhere, and live anywhere while carrying the comforts of home with you. Mountains, frozen lakes, forests, or deserts, the world becomes accessible without compromise. From a cinematic perspective, every angle of this van tells a story. Slow tracking shots across snowy landscapes, glowing headlights cutting through darkness, and warm interior scenes create an emotional connection with viewers. People watching these videos are not only interested in the vehicle, they are imagining a lifestyle, escaping routine, exploring nature, and living without limits. The future of travel is clearly shifting toward mobility, independence, and experience-based living. Vehicles like this camper van represent that future perfectly. They combine engineering innovation with human comfort, transforming transportation into a lifestyle choice rather than simply a way to move from one place to another. So the big question is simple: would you live inside a luxury camper van during a snowstorm? Would you trade traditional living for total freedom on the road? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cinematic snowstorm van review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Apex Motors, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next futuristic vehicle review. Until next time, stay warm, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the future of mobility with Apex Motors.